survival knife is more than just a tool. It's a lifeline. But if you don't take care of your survival knife, chances are your survival knife won't take care of you. The knife maintenance kit from BPS Knives allows you to do just that with cleaning, maintaining, sharpening, and storing of your knife. Here's what comes in the kit. We've got a Scotch-Brite pad for light polishing, 120 grit sandpaper for rust removal with a foam backing, steel wool for deeper cleaning, microfiber cloth, cleaning oil for getting grime off of the blade, and lubrication oil to prevent future rust. The first thing that we want to do is clean the blade. A clean blade is important not only for storage but also for use when it comes to food prep and other things. So we're going to use this cleaning oil and the cloth, the Scotch-Brite or the sandpaper here to get any light corrosion and filth or sap off of the blade. Discoloration, lightly buff it out. You can start with Scotch-Brite and go to sandpaper if needed. Be gentle though, you don't want to mess up the grind or your edge. For sharpening, you want to stroke along the bevel, keeping the original angle until you feel a burr on the opposite side. Flip it and do it again. Once your edge bites, you want to hone your edge using a ceramic or a strop. Finally, you want to apply some oil. Just a light coat will do. This is especially important if you're in a wet environment or if you're about to put the knife away for storage for a while. When storing your knife, make sure that it doesn't have any water or residue on it. Make sure that it's oiled and avoid letting anything sit on the blade during storage. Make sure to give it regular care, especially after every trip, and sharpen it weekly or monthly depending on how often you use the blade. It's amazing what you can do with a good knife, but a good knife is a relationship with give and take. You have to work on it and you have to maintain it. BPS Knives Knife Care Kit is a great way to get everything that you need to maintain your knife and to keep it all organized in an easy to keep, easy to store package.